Hi everybody, I'm Tom Denby and welcome to Tom Denby Golf. Now, you'll be wondering why I'm toggled up like the Bionic Man. And I'm here today at the Aviary Golf Centre with Darren Cain, who is actually going to be doing a series of golf lessons with myself. Now, one of the reasons why I wanted to do this with Darren was because he's got the 3D motion analysis. So, just give us a bit of an idea, Darren, in terms of why you use this system, but also the benefits of it.
The 3D analysis is a wireless system that allows us to measure the 3D parameters of your golf swing.
Yeah.
So it looks
Yeah.
So it looks deeper into your movements than, say, a video would.
Yeah.
The video is very much like an X-ray of the golf swing, a 2D version.
Yeah.
Whereas with the 3D, we're not only able to measure the golf swing, but we're also able to manage it and train you in certain ways that you can change the way you move more effectively than just in someone's opinion. We can show you the facts about your golf swing.
Perfect.
And some parameters that you would never even think about looking at, and things you can't see through a video or just through your eyes.
So, which is great because I've obviously seen my golf swing on video before, but never seen it 3D.
Yeah.
So let's kind of configure it all. Let's get into the nitty gritty of it all, and then we'll see how I progress with it.
Sure, brilliant.
Hi everybody, this is me in robot form.
Okay, so we'll capture a golf swing now. So what I want you to do is to take your setup for me.
Yeah.
Let me know when you're ready to hit. You'll hear 3 beeps. After the third beep, just wait 2 seconds and then hit the shot.
Okay.
We're going to do that twice just to get a fair test of your golf swing.
Yeah.
So just let me know when you're ready.
Yeah, ready. So talk me through it then. How bad is it?
Okay, Tom. Well, first of all, let me show you what your golf swing looks like in this 3D form. There we go. Do you recognise that player?
No. Who's he?
Right, okay, so what we're going to do is do a bit of a health check of your golf swing.
Yeah.
We can see loads of different factors in your golf swing here, loads of different positions, and it can be as simple or as complicated as we need it to be.
Yeah.
But the idea is it gives you a very good visual, and then we can give you some audible feedback to help improve and train your body in different ways.
Yeah.
So just when you take your setup at address, you are 5 degrees away from the target or tilting to the right.
Yeah.
Now, we want to try and maintain that away tilt at the top of the golf swing.
Yeah.
That has numerous benefits if you can do that for your rotations on the way down.
Yeah.
If I take you to the top of the golf swing here, you start to see that you start to lean towards the target, and now you are 2 degrees towards the target at the top. Now, in order to hit a golf ball, you've got to get away from the target, so your upper body is now going to start going backwards.
Yeah.
Trying to get the body behind the ball to 19 degrees away, Tom. So you can see here at setup, 5 degrees away at the top for the Tour Pro.
Yeah.
5 degrees away with Tom Denby. If I take the Tour Pro to the top, we can see now 9 degrees away at the top of the swing. The pelvis has stayed centered.
Yeah.
But the spine is now away from the target still.
Sure, yeah.
It's actually increased in its angle away from the target.
Yeah.
And then we take Tom to the top. And you can see that big lean on the left-hand side now.
Yeah.
And you can see there where you would start to get stuck, and the pelvis then doesn't really lift up through him as you start the downswing. Left hip starts to increase on the Pro.
Yeah.
And then you've got this lean down into the golf ball. Now you're struggling to get back because now you're going backwards rather than moving towards the target. You're actually moving backwards away from the target.
Yeah.
Which if you was to throw a ball in that manner, it wouldn't go very far.
No, not at all. Yeah.
So we're going to do some work now on side tilt.
Great.
Okay. Okay, right. So we're going to train your side tilt now, and you're going to get an audible feedback with this, and it's like tying a knot in a handkerchief. The idea of this is that you soak up as much of this feeling as you can in this session, so that when you go to the driving range, you will be able to recognise the new position
Yeah.
with the tone ringing in your ears. You hear that tone now?
Yeah.
That's telling you you're between 2 and 10 degrees away from the target with your spine.
Yeah.
Swing to the top of your backswing for me. Okay, see how we've lost that tone?
Yeah.
Because we're starting to stack on this left hand side and your spine's starting to go towards the target.
Yeah.
If I now push you back, you're now 6 degrees away from the target at the top.
Okay.
And that's going to feel quite strange.
Yeah.
Okay. So what we're trying to do is trying to maintain the tone from setup all the way to the top of the backswing.
Yeah.
Start again for me. Okay, swing to the top. You don't need to move backwards.
Yeah.
Your head can stay where it is. Your left hip can move out the way and up through the golf ball.
Yeah. And it's interesting because that, for me, in all my days, I've always stopped trying to sway. But that's the difference between the sway and the tilt.
Sway and tilt, exactly.
Yeah.
A lot of people, when they do this, is they lean.
Yeah.
So they would then lean to the right like this and think they've achieved it. Whereas actually all they've done there is swayed their pelvis to the right.
Yeah.
What we're trying to do is understand the difference between, like you said, difference between sway and tilt.
Yeah.
And that's half the process of recovery is understanding. A lot of people don't understand, and once we get them to understand, they make their improvements a lot faster. You get to the top, automatic. Okay, so we're going to get a capture. You're going to lose the tone now, but this is a bit of a test to see if you can withstand the pressure and remember that feeling. I'll let you know where you are at setup initially, so you've got a good idea. So at the moment you're 6 degrees away.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so now Tom, you can see you've got this away feeling. You're exaggerating it slightly at setup because your brain is now focused on this spinal tilt.
Yeah.
You're overdoing it slightly at setup in order to get the tone. But you're 8 degrees away from the target at setup, and if we take you to the top of the swing, we can see how you're now staying behind the golf ball. You're now 4 degrees away at the top of the swing.
What's really interesting thing for this is that video wouldn't really have picked this up as much, would it, at all? So it would have, you'd have given us an idea, but it definitely wouldn't have.
It wouldn't give you a number
shown
to
it
work
as
to.
much. No, exactly.
And then it wouldn't also have had the training feedback. You'd had somebody to say, yeah, that looks better.
Yeah. So I don't know what you thought, but I found that absolutely fascinating. It was definitely different to what I thought was happening in my golf swing. The explanation Darren gave was brilliant. One thing that he also does is email everybody the report of exactly what's going on, so you've got something to go over and look at and just keep it refreshed in your mind with it. Thanks, Darren. That was brilliant.
Not a problem.
Absolutely brilliant. You know, and I think the key thing is to understand just how beneficial you think that is to golfers. Really.
Yeah. Well, you can see how it's not like a traditional lesson where you bash balls and bash balls. It's very quick to identify what's going on. It's very quick to form a plan. And you could see that you improve within the hour. Even under pressure where you were doing a capture and you were in another shot, you could see the improvements. Now, taking that onto a golf course is the next level. You know, and you need that to become an unconscious move and make it your golf swing.
And that is obviously down to me practicing.
It's down to you, but it is a team thing because the coach is there to understand and to point you in the right direction and to find out the root causes of the problems and then create a plan to move forward.
Perfect. Well, I hope you all enjoyed it and we look forward to seeing you all soon.